Hey, I don't know who's gonna watch this right now live, but yeah, anyways, here's Monkey Opens Hut Packs 3. So, this is Tony Ferrelli. Last time I opened packs, they have been very shitty. I've got Seth Jones and Gallagher as 85s, nothing higher. It has been pretty goddamn brutal, but I got some more packs. Yeah, it's like an addiction. It's a gambling addiction here. So I got a bronze, 3 silvers, 5 golds. We will see if the luck changes around here. It might not, but I'm always going to hold on to some hope here. Alright, we'll start with the older ones, the least likely to give me something good. So let's go with some bronze. Come on, baby. Please. Woo! There we go. 2 rares. Thank God. Ooh, Castle Crashers Remastered. Yep, I'm going to play that later. That's kind of the plan. Got some jerseys. And a goalie. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. 2 rares. I'll like that. Alright, let's go with the silvers. I'll upload this to YouTube right after so you guys can watch. Come on, baby. Give me something good. Another 2 rares. There we go. Yes, baby. Norris. Pretty small pack, not a whole lot in here. Let's go with another silver. Yay! 74 out of a silver pack. Oh, there's 79! Damn! Oh, I like the way he looks. Alright, let's keep going. Keep going with this. Here we go. This is just building up for the big stuff. Come on, baby. Having some luck. Having some luck. 80 and an 81! Oh, Richie. Here we go. Oh my God! Oh, Norris, really? I'm selling the crap out of you. You're gone. Alright. That's it for this. Alright, now to the gold. Main event. Come on. I don't even know. Let's start with the middle. Help me. Help me, Jesus. Let's go. Polak Brown. No, it's not so good. Oh, God. Versteeg. He's not a Blackhawk no more. As of today. He's now a Kane. God damn it. That was not good. Fuck. Not a good start so far. At all. God damn it. Alright, 4 more. Don't fuck me now. Let's go with this guy. Bernier! There's an 85. Still no 86s yet. Come for Bertuzzo. I thought. Oh! Victor Hedman! That would be my best pull. Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, whoever's watching, that is the best card that I have pulled so far in NHL 16. Thank Jesus. Alright, what else? A couple gold. Goalie coach. We're selling? No. Quick sell your ass. I'll worry about that shit later, but Hedman makes me happy. God damn. Alright, let's go with the middle again. Come on! Give me something good, baby! I like it, Hedman. Keep it going! I see some 85. Denny Savard. Rask Truba. Ben Scrivens. Jordan Eberle! Oh, Eberle! There we go. Nothing higher than 85, but this is a lot better. 2 85s in 1 pack. 2 more to go. Come on, baby. This is a lot better than my last 3 days. Pack 3 is turning out to be my best. Open. Open. Oh, another Jordan Eberle! I see him in there. And a Yakupov. This is an Oiler pack. God damn. Fiddler again. God. Got nothing better to do. Ooh. Other than a couple of repeat cards. I don't think this was that good of a pack. Like Eberle. Alright. Last pack here. Come on. Here we go! Uh-oh. That looks like dog shit. Oh god. Everything's lower than an 82. Hey. Fucking David Legwan. What the fuck? Nothing higher than an 82 in this goddamn pack. Oh my god. And a goddamn David... Well, there you have it, folks. Oh, I see somebody said something. Gaming with Clyde. In the future, I might do some more giveaways. For now, I'm just kind of starting out. I'm going to build up a little bit of a collection before I start sending players out. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll throw this up on YouTube right after. Till next time, I'll try to build up some more packs. Anyways, take it easy, guys.